Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you step by step how to install Imo on your iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap App Store and tap search and search for Imo. Then tap Get and double click to install. After installing Imo, tap Open, tap Allow, then Allow, and tap Agree and Continue. Then select your country and write your phone number. Then tap Continue. Now you will receive a verification code. Write this verification. Then write your full name. Then tap this icon. And now select your picture. Give allow full access. For example, I'll select this one. Tap this icon. Then tap this and tap continue. And that's it. Your account has been created successfully on Imo. Now you can make a call, you can chat with your friends. If you want to add someone in Imo, just tap here and tap add friends. Then write the phone number of your friends and tap add. And this is how you can add a friends on Imo. And also you can make a story. And also you can join to rooms here. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.